welcome to Curry TV. Today I have a special guest. This is my sister-in-law Anjali. Anjali is going to be introducing us to make Kadala curry. Kadala means chickpeas, and she's going to be introducing us to how she makes it in an Instapot. So let's invite her to Curry TV.
Hi, thank you for the invitation, Sumi. So today we are going to make a brown chickpeas curry. Let's see what the ingredients are. We have 1 cup of brown chickpeas. We soaked it overnight, and we have some coconut slices, green chili, garlic, ginger, curry leaves, and some onions here. And then we have oil, coconut oil here, garam masala, coriander powder, turmeric powder, and green red chili powder. Let's get started. So we have an instant pot here. We are going to make this curry in this pot. The instant pot is plugged in, and now I'm going to set it up on a saute mode for 7 minutes. Okay, let's add coconut oil first.
How many spoons?
I'm going to add at least 3 spoons here.
That's a clue that it is ready.
Okay. And then now I'm going to add at least 3 to 4 spoons of onions here. And now I have ginger, 1 spoon. I'm going to add some garlic, and then 3 to 4 sliced green chilies here. Let's give it a few minutes until it gets that golden brown in color. I'm going to add a few curry leaves. And half a spoon of salt. Now I'm going to add all the spices. I'm going to add 1 spoon of red chili powder and about 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and about half a spoon of turmeric, and we also need to add at least half a spoon of garam masala just to get that smell and taste. And make sure you stir it. Now I'm going to add the chickpeas into this masala and add at least 1 cup of water. I added another half a cup of water into this, so this is how it looks like now. Okay, now I'm going to set it up on pressure cooker mode for 7 minutes, and then let's close it. Make sure you lock it. I'm going to add 2 more ingredients into here. Let's add a few pieces of coconuts and about 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. It's been 14 minutes. Now we are going to check the curry. Oh, it smells so good. It looks amazing. And the gravy is so rich. You can see the color. Now our curry is ready. Okay, I'm going to garnish it with curry leaves. Okay, our curry is ready, and as you can see, it's rich in flavor, it's colorful, and it smells so good in here. Now we are going to taste it.
Shall we give it a try?
Yeah, sure. I'm going to invite my husband too. Do you want to give it a try too?
Thank you. Cheers.
Yeah.
Cheers! Cheers!
Totally.
It's not that spicy, tastes good. And you can also adjust the spice level as you can tolerate. You can use this as a side dish for rice or bread.
Appam, idiyappam.
Yes, these are the Indian, Kerala dishes.
Very good.
It's rich. The cook time is 14 minutes in Instapot for this particular chickpeas because it's Indian. The ones that we get here in can doesn't require that much of cooking time. So adjust your cooking time according to your preference. This looks fantastic, and thank you so much, Anjali and Subin, for joining Curry TV.
I only tested it, but it's amazing. Thank you.
Thank you for inviting us.
No
and
problem.
Please like her videos. She always cook with passion. I always recommend, and we always follow her, recipes. So please like and subscribe her channel.
Thank you.
Thank you.